Okay, I'm going to make an Arduino. First, I put an Arduino. Let's search the Arduino and click the Arduino Uno tree, R3, and put it there. And then a breadboard. Okay, let's search the breadboard. Breadboard, and then this one or this one. Oh, let's choose this one. Okay, and drag it there. And I'm using the Arduino for power, by the way. The next, I connect. So let's search the LED and put it there. There. And the other is the 2 button. Let's connect to the long leg of the lead. Next is the second button. So let's go out. And now we're going to connect the read wire from um make I mean make the resistors and connect the GND and the volt. I think the volt is in the one to have a power. Well, let's just figure it out anyway. So I connect power to one side of both buttons. So let's delete this so that it's working our code. I connect read wire from V5 to the plus rail and a black wire for the GND to the minus rail. So when I start the simulation and it's not working, I know it because it's need the 5 volt, the 5V in the start of the button. So yeah, let's fix this and do it. Okay, let's connect it. The 5 volt and the ground is start in the light. And here it's working. Okay. And thank you.